Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a Christmas 2-page layout. We went to the Detroit Zoo and they put on an amazing Christmas light show. You walk through the zoo and there's Christmas lights in shapes of animals and everything all over the place. It was wonderful. Excuse me. So, to begin with, these are the photos I'm working with, all lights. And this is the paper I'm using for the background. It's from Organic Glitter Papers from My Mind's Eye. This is it right here. And this is all glittered, so it's perfect for these shimmery Christmas lights. And this also, I'm using this paper as well. And it's from American Crafts, The Color of Memories. All right. So, to begin with, this is where the glitter is all around the edges here. So, it will show up, which is nice. So, to begin with, I'm putting a border along the bottom. This is a tree border. And I'm doing 2 of those, one on each side, just like that. I love that. It's beautiful. I will post below where all of the images from Cricut Access are, what cartridges and image sets they're from. So you'll be able to find out. And I will post a Design Space link so you can copy this page if you want. So I also picked a frame, and it's from the First Few Years cartridge, so to put these photos in. And I'm going to place my photos like this. I don't mind doing a photo across 2 pages if there's no people in it. So I will, I just cut it in half. It's scenery, so it doesn't bother me. And this will just fit in here, like that. And this one is going to go on my right side. I love to frame my photos because I think it makes the photos stand out more. Plus, I love pretty paper. It makes the pages attractive. So, these frames are from Elegant. No, this one is from the First Few Years. So, I like that it's wide and you can use pretty paper. Okay, so now I'm putting a title. This is Merry Christmas, and I added a gemstone to that. I'm putting this up here. Trying to leave a margin, top and bottom, about 1/2 inch, because you don't want to overflow there. This I'm just going to angle a wee bit. There's another border. Santa and his sleigh, because there's a Santa and his sleigh. And this is a giant ornament. So I did an ornament, which I'm going to put here. And then I did a tree here that I'm going to put right here. Now, I'm not quite happy with that. I think the tree needs something behind it. So I'm cutting up more of this paper, and I did a black mat around it. I'm going to put it behind. So I think that'll make it pop, stand out a little more. I think it adds something to your scrapbooking, doing things in layers. I find you go through stages when you scrapbook. In the beginning, you do simple things. And then you learn about something new, and it changes your scrapbooking. Like for me, it was patterned papers, using printed papers. I noticed that my photos looked 3D when I held them over pattern papers. So they really stood out more. This is going to go behind here. Just like that. Alright, I'm liking this. I think though, I'm going to add some dots behind the tree and the ornament to lift them up. If I add the dots, it gives them texture. I like things lifted up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. I'll have to, when I tape that down, I'll do that. So I'm still not thinking this is done yet. So what I'm going to do is add some, I've added rhinestones all over this ornament. I hope you can see that. They're pretty. I did them all over the tree. And I like that because of the lights. I thought so. Now I have this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, these come off in single rows. So I'm going to put 2 rows of rhinestones right here. Just like that. Whoops, they have to line up. There we go. I like that. And I'm going to do 2 more right here. So let's make sure this is lined up right. And another one. There, I like that. Now to glue these down, I've got a scrap piece of paper here. Because it's on glitter, I'm going to have to use glue. So I'm using this Zig glue. Because it's so delicate and fine, I can just put it on the scrap and know that it's all getting glued. And now I can just center this. There we go. And I'll do this one too. I like, I don't like it when things fall apart on my pages. So, this is working. There. Whoa. We're good. So now this is garbage because it's full of glue. And I just have to lift up this tree with some foam dots. And I'm liking the glitter rhinestones on here. I have a few of these zoo pages to do. 2, 3, 4. So this will go like this. And I'm pretty happy with this now. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and you can use this for your own Christmas page. Doesn't have to be lights. It can just be any Christmas scene. So thanks for watching.